Delicious jerk style chicken skewers. Now that we're getting to the proper summer weather, you need to chuck these on the barbecue. So I'm starting off with 2 cleaned chicken breasts, and I'm just going to butterfly them, which is cut them in half, and then you just want to take anything you can find in your kitchen and flatten these down. Then I'm going to start to chop them into cubes to go onto our skewers later on. Time to get started with the seasoning. So to season my chicken cubes, I am going to add garlic granules, black pepper, all-purpose, jerk seasoning of course, the all-important jerk marinade, and a bit of oil, which just helps us to mix everything in. Then I'm just going to massage this all into my chicken, and then I'm going to start to pop these on the skewers to go into the oven or the grill. These skewers are wooden and they've been soaking in water for about half an hour. You want to make sure that you soak them in water before chucking them in the oven, otherwise they're going to burn. So I take these away and I bake them on 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes, turning them halfway through. And just like that, you've got these absolutely delicious jerk chicken skewers. Garnish them with some spring onions, find your favorite dip somewhere, and just devour these delicious skewers. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.